The equipment behind me is a customized loading and slitting machine for our customers, which is specifically designed for the tap forming and slitting of battery electrode sheets. It's compatible with selective electrode sheets with a width ranging from 150 mm to 540 mm and is equipped with a one-button module change function. The production efficiency can reach 100 meters per minute, and the yield rate is maintained above 99.8%. Its primary highlight lies in the three sides of alignment devices for unwinding alignment, pre-die cutting alignment, and pre-slitting alignment with a detection accuracy of less than 0.1 mm. Ensuring that the deviation of laser loading position and slitting width is within 0.3 mm. Moreover, tension control is applied to both unwinding and rewinding, stabilizing the tension of the electrode sheet within 3 newtons, thereby avoiding abnormal tip breakage due to excessive tension or loose material caused by insufficient tension. Another major highlight lies in its powerful vision inspection system. It's equipped with multiple industrial cameras, including two 60,000 cameras before slitting and two 8,000 cameras after slitting. The detection accuracy is less than 0.1 mm. It can detect the tab size and slitting weight of the output electrode sheets, as well as flaws on both sides, achieving a zero miss rate. It records the NG information and uploads it to the customer's MES system. Additionally, it works in conjunction with a high-speed marking machine to accurately locate the NG electrode sheets, ensuring that they don't proceed to the next step. Furthermore, the equipment also performs well in terms of cleanliness control. It's equipped with multiple air purifiers to supply clean air and selective pressure dust removal to move away dust. Additionally, it's fitted with a particle counter to monitor the cleanliness within the hood, enabling real-time detection and control of the environmental conditions inside the machine to prevent dust contamination of the products. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that the Apple computer software independently developed by UW Laser integrates functions such as equipment controller, MES system, and optical process recipes. Among them, the optical process recipe allows for the setting of optical processes for multi-segment tab trajectories, facilitating targeted adjustments to the die cutting process. Thanks for watching. See you next time.